Welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox the Dell 15 laptop. These tabs are hard to get off. Might have to cut it. There we go. Okay, here I'm going to open it. Take these cardboard pieces off. This is a nice little sleeve. Here's the Dell 15 laptop. It's silver aluminum. I think the bottom is plastic though. Here's the charger and the other part of the charger. There's just a little piece of trash. Okay, here's the computer. I'm gonna push this box aside. Okay, has this little piece of paper. And try to turn it on. It's dead. Okay, let me plug it in. Okay, it's plugged in. Yay, it's turning on. Uh-oh. Okay, it's turning on again. Just a moment. Yay! Okay, now I'm gonna put English. I'm gonna go through this part of the setup process. US keyboard. And that's it. I wanted to share the gospel with you guys. I just started a Patreon, so if you want to become a patron, you can. Bye.